Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. As yesterday, or as suggested already yesterday, we are looking here at a potential impulse to the upside that reversed out of our trend reversal area when we bottomed in a wave 2 here on the 8th of May. So after reversing out of our support area or trend reversal area, price has now filled in a very, very healthy third wave, which means we have a nice 5-wave move to the upside within a third wave, which means the pattern is full. If the pattern is full to the upside here, it doesn't mean though it has to be over. It just means that it is full now. It can come down at any point now in a wave 4. So what we eventually are looking for, and I explained that in yesterday's video, after this low that was made on the 8th of May, and after this 1-2 setup, we are looking here for a third wave to the upside. Again, that could be finished. Then a pullback in a third wave, in a fourth wave, but a 3-wave pullback. So basically an A, B, C structure in wave 4, and then one more high in a wave 5. And that could be the first wave of this larger third wave. Okay, so just be aware that this third wave, which could take us to $130 and above, consists of 5 waves as well. So these 5 waves will consist of, again, 5 subwaves. So depending on, okay, well, at least the first wave would be. Eventually what we're looking for is here a 5-wave move, a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 in wave 3. And what we see down here, the pattern that is currently emerging, that I've highlighted here with the white circled numbers, that could be the first wave of that third wave. First of all, we need to understand, okay, can we actually get 5 waves up? Because if we don't, it suggests we get another low. How does that work? Well, as per Elliott Wave, you assume that the trend goes into one direction if you get 5 waves into that direction. So that means we need to see those 5 waves. And the condition to get that 5th wave with a decent likelihood is that in any pullback, price is holding 85.46. So if we now get a deeper pullback and price breaks below 85.46, okay, if it's briefly below, not a problem. But if we get a sustained break below it, it indicates that we only had a 3-wave move to the upside, which indicates that we will probably make new lows below the 8th of May low. But if price can hold 85.46, which we currently assume due to the nice third wave rally here, we can get a 5th wave to the upside. So that is basically the pivot point, 85.46, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Now, if we zoom into the detail here, you can see that we had off the 12th of May low, which was again a 1-2 setup, we had a small 1-2 setup, a long third wave rally, which peaked here on the 16th of May, a 4th wave down and a 5th wave up. We have 5 up now in that third wave. Again, it can still push higher. We can always get extensions, but it's now a full pattern. So don't think we will come down now. In a third wave, I often said that the mindset needs to be there will be extensions until we break below that level, or until we get into the wave 4 pullback zone. Okay, so the mindset always has to be there are extensions until support breaks, because the third wave is typically the most bullish wave. And people tend to take profits too early. But, you know, we have now done basically what we need to do in that third wave. If we look at the Fibonacci extensions, the third wave reached the 2.382 extension. Next extension level would be 94.80 and then 97.35. So all of that is still possible. You can add, for example, a trend line as support if you really want to track the micro movements and understand when the third wave is breaking. Just simply add a trend line to the chart. That is not foolproof, but it will give you a signal that if the trend line breaks, we are most likely getting into the wave 4. It's pretty helpful actually. Yeah, and then there is not much more to add, I believe. What we could do, let's look at the indicators, because normally what you get is at the end of such a third wave, you start to see some bearish divergences. I can't really clearly see them, but maybe on the 30-minute chart, because we really were digging into the detail here. But no, not yet. So let's see. Yeah, if we get one more high and it forms a bearish divergence, it's an indication that, hey, we are in the sort of in the end of the third wave. But yeah, it's starting to look good. I guess there's some anticipation about the upcoming halving. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.